You look at what Robinhood is trying to do, even though Robinhood's investors are mostly people under 5,000 bucks, so it's not a lot of people that have wealth over there. Coinbase, a little bit different, and then a handful of others, but outside of that, you don't really have many companies really focusing on digital assets, even if you look at Fidelity, not really moving. I know Schwab said they're gonna do it, but probably it's another year away. JP Morgan and Chase most likely gonna roll something out soon. What's gonna 'Cause we could be in a potential fall in the market, but also a continued bull run if you look at the angles here. So there's gonna be some wealth build.
I think people are going to come into a lot of wealth through the end of this year. And if we, and I say we, because I feel like I'm part of the XRP family, I've been here a long time, had just left it up to the banks to come up with this, most
Yep.
people would be saddled with tax implications,
Yes.
not have the education to make sure that they're protecting their assets and their wealth over the long term. And so that's kind of been my mission or my value that I think I bring to the community is, aside from the services, just helping people start to understand these concepts for this asset class and
Yeah.
start to surround themselves with the right professionals to take advantage of it. And so, to your point, a lot of people do have a spider web of stuff, and that's not wrong, right? You're mitigating risk of loss. You're holding some assets here and there. If you have one situation versus another that you lose a portion of your assets through some unfortunate circumstance, it's not the whole thing. We have clients that hold some assets away from our institutional custody. I understand that, but we do provide the most robust security that exists out there, and it's insured. The analogy that I could give people would be, imagine holding analog or paper stock certificates in your safe.
Yep.
That's great.
In the old days, you used to do that, but
Exactly.
not anymore.
And that's how I view digital assets today, right?
Yeah.
You're holding these physical items. There's no recourse. There's no insurance if they catch on fire or get lost.
That's happening with the gold bugs right now. They're stacking gold in their safes.
And,
And
and we have partners to facilitate that too. And you want liquidity. It's a give and take, right? Like if you want extreme ownership and responsibility, you're probably going to have to give up some of the benefits that you would get and make sure that you have the certain things in place to protect stuff. But you're also not going to get liquidity. You're not going to earn interest on any of those things.
yeah.
Whereas if you're partnered with an institution that you trust and has a track record and has the credibility, then you can kind of have the best of both worlds. A lot of the strategies we put out there, I call them like have your cake and eat it too type stuff.